Take a ride in the 2009 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.